In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an eToro account statement. To get started, sign into your eToro account using your usual login details. Make sure you're accessing the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one platform or browser profile. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you're ready for the next step. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where eToro keeps many of the account-related options you may need, including personal preferences and important account information. After the Settings area opens, go to the Account page. This section contains more detailed account controls and document-related options. Now, scroll down until you find the Documents section. Depending on your screen size or device, you may need to scroll a little further to see the full list. Take your time here and look carefully through the available document types until you find Account Statement. This is the document that shows the account activity and details for a period you select. Once you see Account Statement, click View next to it. This will open the Statement tool and allow you to choose exactly what time frame you want the report to cover. At this stage, select your preferred date range. For example, you might choose a recent month, a full quarter, or another custom period depending on why you need the statement. If you're downloading it for record keeping, taxes, or personal review, it's a good idea to double-check that the dates are correct before generating the file. After choosing the date range, generate the statement. eToro will then prepare the document based on the period you selected. This may take a few moments, so just wait for it to finish loading. When the statement is ready, you'll see the option to download the file. Go ahead and save the account statement to your device. If possible, store it in a folder where you can easily find it later, especially if you'll need it again for financial records or reporting. It can also help to rename the file with the date range so it's easier to identify in the future. And that's it. That's how to download an eToro account statement quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.